Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo Y100 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can take screenshot by accessibility menu option in your phone the Vivo Y100 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to shortcuts and accessibility. Then here select accessibility. Then here select accessibility menu and turn on the button against accessibility menu shortcut, give all permissions, and this is shortcut. Okay, now go to the screen for which you want to take a screenshot and go to accessibility menu icon. Here you will find a screenshot icon. Swipe to the left side, you will find a screenshot icon. Just click it and screenshot will be taken. So in this way you can easily take screenshot using accessibility menu icon. If you want to take long screenshot, yes, you can do it. Again click on, but long screenshot is not options is not available. For that you go to change the settings, go to the settings and go to system, shortcuts and accessibility, yes, capture, and here turn on this button screenshot floating window. Now go to the accessibility menu icon and click on screenshot icon. After taking screenshot, click on long screenshot in the floating window, and long screenshot will be taking. Just wait few seconds. Just if you want to stop the scrolling, just click on the screen and it will be stopped, and click on save. This is a long screenshot. In this way also you can take long screenshot in your phone using accessibility menu icon. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.